Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do a purple look. Spring is right around the corner and I want to play in some color. So yeah, let's get into it. So right now I'm just using a brown tone, a lighter tone, and then I'll use a darker one in a minute to just blend in my crease and yeah, use it as a transition color. So we're just building up our crease with those transition colors to our liking before we do our cut crease and add in the purple. Alright, so to cut my crease, I'm using the P. Louise Rumor 5 Shadow Base. If you don't have that, you can use a concealer. That works as well. You just have to set it a little bit with a little bit of powder before you put down your shade. But yeah, I'm going to cut my crease, and then after that we are going to use the purple shade that's in the palette. And you also, I'm just blending out the edges a little bit so it's kind of more seamless. Look at the pigment in this purple. I'm telling you, if you get your hands on that Jaclyn Hill palette with Morphe Volume 1 or 2, go and get it. It's usually at Ulta. It's one of my favorites. I use it a lot on my clients as well as myself. Right now we're just packing that color onto the lid, and then I'm going to blend out the edges a little bit and then add lashes, and then we'll be on to the face. So I have a little bit of discoloration under my eyes and around my mouth, so I like to use a concealer that's close to my skin tone just to even it out a little bit, and then I'll just blend it out with this Real Techniques brush. Treat me this way and still I stay. See, my days are cool without you. My heart can't take no more. I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cool without you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you wanna do me wrong. See, when I'm home, I'm all alone, and you are always gone. Alright, this is the tip of the day. If you struggle putting on your lashes, get a mirror, look down into the mirror. That way you can see the top of your lash line, and you'll be able to put your lashes on a lot easier. And another thing, make sure you're measuring your lashes so that they're comfortable, they're not poking you in the inner corner. Yeah, you gotta measure them. So now we're on to foundation. I'm using my NARS Soft Matte in Macao. This is one of my favorite foundations. I use it on myself and my clients. But yeah, I do want to try new foundations. If you have any recommendations or anything you want me to try, leave them down in the comments. You always tell me that you need me, and I'm weak because I believe you, and I'm mad because I love you. So I stop and think that maybe you can learn to appreciate me, then it all remains the same. That you ain't never gonna change, never gonna change, never gonna change. My days are cold, baby, and though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you. And though my heart can't take no more, no more. We're going into highlighting the face. I would say use a concealer that's 1 to 3 shades lighter than you. Just depends on how bright you like your highlight. Me personally, I like somewhere in the middle.
And then I like to let my concealer sit for a few minutes to get a little bit thicker and get more coverage. So right here I am cream, bronzing, contour, whatever you want to call it, around the cheek area, forehead. And I think I do my nose as well, slightly. I'm not a big nose contour person. But do you guys like to cream, bronze, or contour? Or are you more just a powder person? Me personally, I like both, but I lean more towards the powder than the cream bronzer.
It's hard for me to try to stop this feeling. Yeah, we could just walk away.
So right now I'm just blending my concealer out using a Real Techniques brush. This is also one of my favorite brushes. Listen, if you're just starting makeup, or even if you're not, you don't have to spend a lot of money on makeup brushes. Real Techniques, Morphe are like my top two. I use them on myself and my clients. I got brushes from Amazon, Shein, and they work just as good. But yeah, we're just going to blend that out, and then I'm going to set my under eye with the One Size powder. I think it's the honey one, sweet honey maybe. But yeah, all the products will be in the description box, so make sure you check that out. And now I'm just setting my face with a face powder. The one I'm using is from Sephora, their Micro Smooth powder. I really like it, but also want to try some new face powders. So if y'all have any suggestions on those, please let me know in the comments.
If it was you, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it would just all be mad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you.
Okay, so now I just added bronzer and blush. And then we are going to get into the lips. Y'all should know that I'm a nude glossy lip girl, and that's what we're doing today. If you don't know, now you know. I love nude glossy lips. Occasionally I might do a pink or a red, but nude, glossy, brown or pink is my thing. I think I use like 3 different lip products right here, but don't worry, I'll have them in the description box. And the key to a well blended lip with the liner is patting your lips together. Sometimes you might need a brush, but pat your lips together. Don't rub, pat.
Heart been broke so many times, I don't know what to believe. Mama say it's my fault, I wear my heart on my sleeve. Niggas best I put my heart on ice, cause I can't breathe. I'ma put my heart on ice, getting the best of me.
That concludes today's look. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you got any makeup looks you want me to try, or products you want me to try, let me know down in the comments and I will do it. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.
I spend all my time committing crimes to get closer. While at my nana house, I play the couch staring at the ceiling, trying not to get in my feelings, thinking of a way I can make these millions.